Hi guys, how have you been? Happy New Year. Happy New Year everybody, and thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for being here. It's an awesome year.
Once again.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I'm just lost to feel, I need time to heal. I can't steer the wheel, cause this driving kills. And it gives me chills, a nice road it feels. I slip off the peel and crash all the steel. Will I ever heal? I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
So I use water to clean my fridge. I use water and of course a soft cloth. These are cloths I bought from House of Leather. And then I use Vim, a little bit of jik, and then also I add a bit of vinegar in the water to clean my fridge. That is all I use. And of course I'll need to squeeze out all the water. I won't use a lot of water in the fridge. Yeah, so just wiping with kidogo water in the kitambaa. And guys, if you haven't subscribed, please, Aki, please, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to that channel. It only takes 1 second or less to subscribe. Just clicking, and you'll make this girl happy. Your birthday is next week, so you can give me that gift of a subscription, also sharing with your friend. Please subscribe. Thank you. God bless you. How this fridge is sparkling. It's super clean. It's super white. Yeah, I'm proud of my job. So guys, it's important to clean your fridge more oftenly, especially because of the things that spill in the fridge, food, drinks. Yeah, and also you give it a better smell, or remove the bad odor in the fridge. When you clean everything, it smells so fresh, the fridge. So guys, now it is time for packing our grocery in these containers. The fridge is all clean and very sparkling. So now it is time for packing. Now this is how I pack my food stuff. This is how I pack my grocery. Of course, in these containers I use paper towel to put in the base all around the container to absorb the wetness. Yeah, just in case the things get wet inside from the effects of the fridge or the cold. That is why I put a paper towel around it, so that it absorbs the water, and then my grocery won't spoil. Yeah, so I put everything like some things, most of the things, this is how I pack them. Some I wrap them with a paper towel instead of putting them in a container. Now it depends, up to you'll see in the video. So some are left over grocery from last time's my shopping. So now I'm still going to wipe them again and put a paper towel around it, so that now to help it doesn't spoil so fast. Yes, that is how I do it. How do you pack your things in the fridge? Share in the comment section. Also, this container, I think I got from my white bag.
We'll be driving down the state, yeah. Looking around for the next crowd, yeah. Going our own way, trying to find a new route, yeah. We'll be going in circles, trying to find a way, searching for the things we do, yeah. Drop top without a choice, yeah. Hair blown round to the window, singing stupid noise with you. I just wanna get to know ya, I wanna go far.
Guys, and now this is my what, mitini shamba or mitini dawa. Hii ndio dawa yangu ya lose weight this year. So these are mango leaves and guava leaves and avocado leaves. I've mixed them all up together, and then I boil them. I take like 5 leaves of each tree, like mango tree 5 leaves, guava tree 5 leaves, and then the avocado tree 5 leaves. I boil them, and then I let the water sit. Then I drink the green water from the leaves. So, but I'll check them out later. Kuna zingine zimeharibika because ziko black. I'll sort them out later, and then I'll boil tomorrow. Yeah. Huu mwaka ni wa mabadiliko. Mwaka wa lose weight. We are trying all things. Yeah, plus now gymming. Yes.
We'll be driving down the state, yeah. Looking around for the next crowd, yeah. Going our own way, trying to find a new route, yeah. We'll be going in circles, trying to find a way, searching for the things we do, yeah. Drop top without a choice, yeah. Hair blown round to the window, singing stupid noise with you. I just wanna get to know ya, I wanna go far to the coast, yeah. I wanna drive fast to the ocean, I wanna know all of you. Growing old like a ghost, yeah. I wanna have kids of my own, yeah. Live a life till it's over, You're sleeping too long. Yeah, I'm feeling a little crazy. Sat at home being lazy. Wanna travel till I'm 80, flying with you. Wanna take on the world and do something. Would you by my side like it's nothing? Wanna buy you things that you wanted. Wanna find you drop top without a choice, yeah. Hair blow round to the window, singing stupid noise with you. I just wanna get to know ya. I wanna go far to the coast, yeah. I wanna dive first to the ocean. I wanna know all of you. Growing old like a ghost, yeah. I wanna have kids of my own, yeah. And live a life till it's over. But until we do, it's sleeping too long. Been too long. It's sleeping too long. It's sleeping too long.
So now we are almost done. We are finalizing unpacking these things. Yeah. Na hizi zinaitwaje? What are these things called? Meshiri. Me, I call them meshiri. Yeah, this is how I'm going to pack them. I'm going just to put them as they are. I won't wash them because now when I wash them, they will spoil so fast. So I'm going to store them like this. Yeah, and I won't. It won't take so long before I cook them. So maybe 2 days, then I'll cook them. So that is why I'm storing them like this, and then I'll store them in the bottommost part of the fridge, the one that the container at the bottom of the fridge. That is where I'm going to store them. Now plus the broccolis, I'm going to wrap them in a cling film. Yeah, the clear film, so that now I put them. I'll wrap them individually. So now I put them in the fridge uko chini kabisa, kwa hiyo container chini, in the bottommost part of the fridge. That is where I'll put them. Our video. Thank you so much for tuning in. My fridge is now very clean. Yeah, we are done with that. And until next time. And by the way, I passed by where they sell clothes also, kwa Mtumba, at the same soko, the same market, Ruiru. And they have a lot of beautiful things, you guys. I think maybe next week we'll be doing that video. Then I'll be showing you where you can buy those beautiful things for your, especially for your kids in Ruiru market. They have really nice things. If you have a baby girl, a baby boy, even teenagers, they have really nice stuff, even shoes, and very affordable. You can get a sports shoes even for, I think, a sneaker for even 500 or even less, or let's say 600 and less. Very nice things. So next week we'll be doing that, God willing. And God bless you so much for tuning in.